Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a detailed review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro. This phone has been making waves with its incredible features and specifications, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Stick around till the end to know everything about this amazing device. Let's start with the body and design of the Redmi Note 14 Pro. The dimensions are 162.3 by 74.4 by 8.2 millimeters, or depending on the variant, 8.5 millimeters thick. It weighs around 190 grams, which feels solid yet comfortable to hold. The phone has a glass front, while the back comes in two options, a plastic back or an eco-friendly silicone polymer back with an eco-leather finish. It's also IP68 dust and water resistant, and in certain markets, it even offers IP69K resistance, making it incredibly durable. When it comes to color options, Xiaomi offers some stunning choices: Titan Black, Phantom Purple, Spectre Blue, and White. The phone also features an optical under-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 14 Pro boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel. It supports 68 billion colors, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision, offering an exceptional viewing experience. The brightness peaks at an impressive 3000 nits, so you'll have no trouble using it even in direct sunlight. It also features a 120 Hz refresh rate. For protection, the screen is covered with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, one of the toughest on the market. Of course, it supports an always-on display feature for added convenience. Now let's talk about battery life. The Redmi Note 14 Pro is powered by a 5500 mAh battery, which provides excellent endurance. For charging, it supports 45-watt wired charging. Under the hood, the phone runs on Android 14, with Xiaomi's latest Hyper OS layered on top. Xiaomi guarantees up to 3 major Android upgrades. It's equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, built on a 4nm process. Now let's move to the camera setup, and this is where the Redmi Note 14 Pro shines. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor. The second camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. There's a 2-megapixel macro camera. For video, it can shoot in 4K at 24 or 30 FPS, and there's also 1080p at up to 120 FPS, complete with gyro EIS and OIS for stabilization. The selfie camera is a 20-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture. It can record videos at 1080p, 30 or 60 FPS. Storage and connectivity. The Redmi Note 14 Pro comes with multiple storage and RAM options: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB or 12GB RAM, and the top-tier 512GB with 12GB RAM. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card slot. For connectivity, it offers dual SIM support with a combination of nano SIM and eSIM, or dual nano SIM slots. The phone includes modern features like NFC, an infrared port, and USB Type-C 2.0 with OTG support. However, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack. Audio and sound. The phone is equipped with dual stereo speakers, providing immersive audio. So, that wraps up our review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro. With its stunning display, powerful performance, impressive cameras, and durable design, this phone is definitely a strong contender in its price segment. Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.